Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make enchilada sauce with chili powder. Toast the chili powder briefly in a dry skillet before adding liquids. Start by sweating 1 small onion and 2 cloves garlic in 1 tablespoon oil until soft. Stir in 2 tablespoon chili powder and 1 tsp cumin, then add 2 cups broth and 1 cup tomato sauce. Simmer gently and season with salt and a pinch of sugar. Warm and easy steps help you customize flavor without fuss. After toasting spices, add cumin and oregano for a savory base, then pour in tomato sauce and broth. Let the mixture simmer so water reduces and flavors concentrate, stirring occasionally. Taste and tweak with salt, sugar, or more chili powder for brightness. Strain if you want a silkier texture, or leave it rustic with small bits of onion and garlic. In this video, I will show how to make enchilada sauce with chili powder. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and travel-friendly, perfect for leftovers or freezing portions. They save time and prevent messy spills when you store your enchilada sauce. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For thicker sauce, simmer until reduced by about 1/4 while stirring to prevent sticking. Cool to room temperature before transferring to airtight containers to preserve flavor and texture. Refrigerate for 4 to 5 days or freeze in portions for up to 3 months. Reheat gently on low heat and add a splash of broth if too thick, then taste and adjust seasoning before using in your enchiladas or other dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.